China is home to one of the richest and most diverse cuisines in the world. From savory dim sum to spicy Sichuan dishes, every region offers unique flavors. Which Chinese dish is your favorite? Have you tried them all? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food journeys. 30. Congee. A comforting rice porridge, often eaten for breakfast, served plain or with toppings like century egg, pork, or pickled vegetables. 29. Char siu. A Cantonese-style barbecued pork, glazed in a sweet savory sauce and roasted to perfection with a caramelized crust. 28. Zhajiangmian. A northern Chinese dish of wheat noodles topped with a thick, savory pork and soybean paste sauce, often served with fresh cucumber. 27. Jianbing. A Chinese-style savory crepe, filled with egg, scallions, crispy wonton, and a flavorful hoisin or chili sauce. A popular street food. 26. Egg tarts. A beloved Hong Kong-style pastry with a buttery crust and a smooth, creamy egg custard filling, inspired by Portuguese pastéis de nata. 25. Beggar's chicken. A whole chicken wrapped in lotus leaves and clay, then slow-baked, resulting in tender, fragrant meat. 24. Mapo tofu. A spicy Sichuan dish of silken tofu, minced pork, and a bold, numbing sauce made from fermented black beans and Sichuan peppercorns. 23. Rou jia mo. Known as the Chinese hamburger, this dish features braised pork belly inside a crispy, toasted flatbread. 22. Peking duck. A world-famous dish of crispy-skinned roast duck, sliced and served with thin pancakes, hoisin sauce, and scallions. 21. Lanzhou beef noodle soup. A famous hand-pulled noodle soup with a clear beef broth, slices of tender beef, chili oil, and fresh herbs. 20. Zilongbao. Delicate Shanghai-style soup dumplings, filled with pork and a rich, savory broth that bursts in your mouth. 19. Kung Pao chicken. A Sichuan dish of diced chicken stir-fried with peanuts, dried chilies, and a tangy soy-based sauce. 18. Hot pot. A communal meal where diners cook meats, seafood, and vegetables in a simmering broth, then dip them in sauces. 17. Dompa pork. A braised pork belly dish, slow-cooked in soy sauce, sugar, and Shaoxing wine until melt in your mouth tender. 16. Dim sum. A Cantonese tradition of small, bite-sized dishes like dumplings, buns, and rolls, often served with tea. 15. Dan Dan noodles. A Sichuan specialty of wheat noodles in a spicy, nutty, and slightly sweet sauce, topped with minced pork. 14. Century egg. A preserved egg with a black, jelly-like texture and a rich, umami flavor, often served with tofu or porridge. 13. Sweet and sour pork. A Cantonese dish of crispy fried pork pieces coated in a sweet and tangy sauce with bell peppers and pineapple. 12. Zhajiangba. Steamed buns filled with savory pork cooked in a thick, sweet bean paste sauce, a street food favorite. 11. Lion's head meatballs. Large, juicy pork meatballs braised in a rich, savory sauce, often served with napa cabbage. 10. Biang noodles. Thick, hand-pulled Shaanxi-style noodles, dressed in a fragrant chili oil sauce. 9. Cantonese roast goose. A juicy, roasted goose with crispy skin and a deep, smoky flavor, served with plum sauce. 8. Wonton soup. A light, flavorful broth with delicate wontons filled with pork and shrimp, often served with egg noodles. 7. Mawaxianggua. A Sichuan-style dry hot pot, where ingredients like meat, tofu, and vegetables are stir-fried in a spicy, numbing sauce. 6. Squirrel fish. A deep-fried fish cut to resemble a squirrel's tail, covered in a sweet and sour sauce. A banquet favorite. 5. Char kwai teo. A stir-fried noodle dish with shrimp, Chinese sausage, and bean sprouts, popular in southern China. 4. Lo Mai Gai. Glutinous rice stuffed with chicken, mushrooms, and Chinese sausage, wrapped in a lotus leaf and steamed. 3. Sichuan hot and sour soup. A spicy and tangy soup with tofu, mushrooms, bamboo shoots, and egg, thickened with cornstarch. 2. Fried rice. A staple across China, stir-fried with egg, scallions, soy sauce, and a variety of meats or vegetables. 1. Baozi. Fluffy steamed buns filled with meat, vegetables, or red bean paste, enjoyed as a breakfast or street snack. And that's our journey through China's most famous dishes. From the comforting baozi to the sizzling hot pot, Chinese cuisine is full of flavors. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any? Let us know in the comments below. Want more food adventures? Check out these videos. Top 30 Japanese dishes, sushi, ramen, and more. Top 30 French dishes, buttery croissants to rich beurre bourguignon. Top 30 Italian dishes, pasta, pizza, and decadent tiramisu. Top 50 most famous dishes in the world, the greatest global flavors. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food explorations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next food adventure.